In this tutorial I'm gonna tell you the best trick to know the status of the website. We are visiting different websites daily, but in some situations we are tired of opening a website. We can't get into the website sometimes. So you can see a message, you may see a message that that your connection is interrupted, or there's a fault in your connection, or you can, or some say that your there is a fault in your device. But sometimes there may be a fault or error in a website. So how to check that? So I have a website here and I will tell you that how to check a status of the website. So go to this website. I will drop this link in a description box. I have this is it down right now.com. This is the website. So go to this website from description box. Okay, this website is pretty simple. You can check the status of the website from this website. So what you have to do is enter domain below to check whether it is down or not. So I will check facebook.com here. So of course it is working, it is checking Facebook. So website name Facebook and response time 13.56 milliseconds and last down more than a week ago. This is up and reachable. So I will show youtube.com. Check. Okay, up more than a week ago last down. So this way you can check the status of your website, that it is down or up right now. So this is the best trick, and that's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss any updates. And thank you for watching.